Hey Math 8 students. So this Khan Academy, multiplication and division with powers of 10, is only difficult because there's several different ways they ask questions of you, and I'm going to go through many of them with you. None of them are particularly hard, but they all need a little bit of thinking. So let's go with this. First example, we have this being divided by this. By powers of 10, they mean 10 to some kind of power, okay? So first of all, if I were to just break this up, you know that negative 8 divided by negative 4 would just be 2, correct? We just deal with the numbers separately. And then you know when I have a number to a power and then the same number to a different power and they're being divided, we just subtract the exponents. So this one turns out to be 2. So again, negative 8 divided by 4 is 2. And then 10 to the 7th over 10 to the 6th, you subtract the powers, would be 10 to the first power. 10 to the first power is just simply 10. So 2 times 10 is 20. That's how you do it. All right, let's do the next one here. This is how many times larger. That just means we're dividing again. So we're going to take this one here and we're going to divide it by this one here. So again, 8 divided by 4 is going to be 2. Okay, 8 divided by 4 is 2. 10 to the third divided by 10 to the second, you subtract the powers. 3 minus 2 is 10 to the first power. 10 to the first power is just 10, so 2 times 10 is 20. Okay, next one. Again, I know I'm going through them fairly quickly. How many times larger? Again, we're dividing again, okay? So we have 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 is simply 3. We have 10 to the 7th divided by 10 to the negative 7th. You got to remember, we subtract them. So this is really 7 minus a negative 2, which two negatives when they're together create a positive, so it turns into 7 plus 2, which equals 9. So we literally have 10 to the 9th power. So it's 3 times 10 to the 9th power, which is letter C right there for us. You may want to watch that if that didn't click real well. All right, we have this one where it's actually a multiplication problem. When you multiply the numbers, negative 3 and positive 2, we'll just multiply. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. And then when you multiply powers, 10 to the 4th times 10 to the negative 3rd, you add the powers. So we're going to take 4 plus negative 3. So 4 plus negative 3 is 1, so that would equal 10 to the first power, which you should all know is just 10. And then we multiply. Negative 6 times 10 is negative 60. So that's our answer for this one. Okay, you can probably see by now why you're going to want to check some answers with me. And our final example, okay, we need to divide these two. So the first thing, whenever we have this, which is in standard form, we need to make this into this thing. So it's just simply 4 times 10, and you just count up the zeros. How many zeros are there? There's 3, so it's just simply 4 times 10 to the third power. Okay, 4 times 3 tenths to get 3 zeros. They said in step 1 it should be 4 times 10 to the second power. So where did they make their mistake? They made it right away in step 1. All right, guys, good luck to you. Bye-bye.